Scaling your Facebook marketing can be a nightmare if you don't have the right tools. In this video, I'll show you a professional software that allows you to manage unlimited accounts. With total safety, no more bans, no more manual work, just pure automation and growth. Let's get into the setup. First, under General Configuration, set the time between posts from 20 to 40 seconds. This randomization is key. Also, configure the software to switch accounts automatically after 10 consecutive errors to protect your profiles. Now for the content, we'll select 9 different content pieces to keep things diverse. Make sure to check both options. Allow duplicate content between actions and between accounts. This ensures your best marketing messages are always active. Next, targeting. I'm pasting a list of 60 targeted group IDs here. Use the random ID group feature to vary the sequence. This makes your activity look 100% organic to Facebook's algorithm. For the workload, each account will post to 15 to 20 groups with a limit of 1 post per group. Crucially, enable no duplicate group posting so you never spam the same community twice. Finally, enable automatic comments after a successful post for instant engagement. Now, select all your accounts and click Start. Boom, amazing. As you can see on the screen, the software is now running on complete autopilot. The biggest benefit here isn't just the automation, it's the consistency. You're reaching thousands of potential customers in 60 different groups while you focus on closing deals. This tool saves you over 10 hours of manual work every single week. It eliminates human error and, most importantly, its smart delays and account switching logic provide a safe environment for your marketing assets to thrive in 2026. Stop working hard and start working smart. If you want to dominate Facebook groups and scale your leads, this is your secret weapon. Check the link in the description for more details. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pro MKT tips. Thanks for watching.